Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some chips, not potato chips. I'm going to be making my chips out of golden beets and taro root. So this is what a taro root looks like. And then of course you know what a beet looks like, I'm assuming. One of the reasons I love using root vegetables, besides the fact that they are a great, delicious, filling food, is that they're full of fiber. And taro root is very much like a sweet potato. It's starchy. It originated in Asia and now they're all over the world, but they're very easy to prepare, especially the way I'm going to be doing it. And beets are also great too, full of fiber and all kinds of vitamins, and a great addition to your diet. So I'm going to bring you closer and I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare these. So let me show you how we prepare these to slice. I've already started these. We cut off each end of the taro root and the beet, and then I just use a potato peeler and take the skins off. That's all we do for that. Then, as far as using my mandolin, let me get this out of the way, get this closer so you can see. My mandolin has 3 different settings, 1, 2, and 3. 1 being the thinnest, 3 being the thickest. I use 2. And then I just slice them. And of course, as they get closer, smaller, I use my guard. Very important. We do not want any accidents in the kitchen. So I'm just going to continue slicing these. I'm going to cook the beets and the taro root separately. They cook so fast that it's no big deal. We're going to slice these up and then I'll show you how I season them. So seasoning them up is going to be very simple. I'm going to use my ones I always use, onion powder, and we're just going to sprinkle it on, no set amount. I've got my granulated garlic. And then I like to add some smoked paprika. And then I just use my hands and I mix it all together. Toss it around. And then I'm going to add a little bit more to this side, just to make sure that everyone gets some seasonings. If you want to add salt, you can. I'm not going to add salt to this batch. I don't think it's going to need it, but if it does, you can always put it on at the end. And then we're just going to mix them up again. Make sure they're all coated. So I have my air fryer here. I've got my basket. I'm just going to lay these in here, and I will try to do a single layer. If they do overlap a little bit, it's okay. And then we're going to cook these. We're going to put the air fryer on at 370 for about 6 minutes, and then we'll check them. If they need to go longer, they will go longer. It depends on if you want them super crispy, if you want them a little chewy, just up to you. But I would suggest checking them after about 6 minutes. So let's put these in here. We'll go 370. 6 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, let's check it. Yeah, we're gonna let these go for, let's do 5 more minutes. Oh yes, much better. I like it. I like mine crispy on the edges. It's still a little soft in the middle. So I'm going to make some more, another batch, and then we're going to move on to the beets. So while the taro root is air frying, let's slice up our beets. We're going to do the same thickness, same, I think that'll be fine. Yeah. Season them up. Same thing. I got garlic, onion powder, a little bit of paprika, and I am going to add some salt to these. Mix up and do it again. Okay, that batch is done for the taro root. Now we're gonna put in our beets. And I think I'm gonna put these at a little higher temperature. I think I'm gonna do them 380. Check them after 10, and we'll see how they look. Here we go, taro chips and golden beet chips, made in the air fryer. No oil, just a few spices, super easy, very healthy for you. Excellent source of a whole food carbohydrate. We've got some protein in here, we've got some fiber, so all in all, really good. So let's try the taro root. Definitely hear the crunch on that one. Very starchy. I like it. It's hearty. Let's try a little beet chip. A little sweeter. Both really good. Oh yes. You will definitely like these. Super easy. You could do these in the oven as well if you don't have an air fryer, so no worries there. So I hope you give this one a try, or give these two a try. They're good for you, they're good for the planet, and they're good for the animals. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload the video. Until next time, thank you.